Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to summarize PDFs using Tenorshare PDNob AI in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is an AI-powered PDF editor available for both Windows and Mac. To explore its features for editing, annotating, converting, and securing files, download it using the link in the description below. With its advanced AI capabilities, PDNob AI takes productivity to the next level. It allows you to quickly summarize lengthy PDFs, saving time and boosting efficiency for students, professionals, and researchers alike. Now, let's see how easy it is to summarize PDF files using this tool. After downloading and installing the software, launch the software, and you'll arrive at this interface. In this Quick Tools menu, navigate to PDNob AI and click on it. Use Windows File Explorer to locate and open the PDF document you want to summarize. While the software offers various tools and settings for working with your PDF, we'll focus on the PDNob AI chat interface, which opens on the right-hand side. Scroll to the bottom of the interface and click on Start. The AI will securely upload your document and begin summarizing it. Once complete, you can copy and paste the summary into an email, notepad, or any other application. You can also interact further with the document by typing into the text box to ask specific questions, or request additional details or summary about certain parts of the content. No matter how large the document is, the AI will provide accurate information based on the content of the PDF. If you request details that cannot be found in the document, the AI will fetch information from external sources, but will clearly indicate that it is not from the original file. When you're done chatting with the document, you can either export the chat or copy it to your clipboard for use elsewhere. And that's how you can effortlessly save hours of work by summarizing and extracting key information from your PDFs using Tenorshare PDNob AI. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.